is about how tall everything is. And this isn't all the books that I have, so you'll need a lot more. It's all good material, and not only this, but online resources. I also thought this was a good one to show because you're going to have a lot of patients coming in asking you questions, and you're going to want to know what medications they're on, just to watch for things like, are they on blood thinners, can they bruise or bleed easily, and just to know these medications, you always refer them to their doctor for any questions directly to their doctor or nurse, for any questions related directly to medication. But this is a good reference guide for you to learn about prescriptions, what categories they're in, what they do, and what the purposes are.
And tell